Hi, I'm Andrew at Baker's Gas. We're here today with the all-new Fronius TransSteel2200 unit. Today we're going to talk about the accessories that come with this unit. We are going to weld with it. We're going to go over some of the features for it, and going to go over likes and dislikes on that unit. So first off, let's start out with what this unit comes with. So this is a MIG stick unit. They also make with a TIG package kit. So the MIG stick unit that we have here comes with flow meter, stinger for stick welding, MIG gun, ground, and then two separate gas hoses. I'll show you how those work. And then on this comes with a 115 plug, a 20 amp 115 plug, a twist lock 220 plug, and then a washer dryer adapter for a 220 plug. So all this comes in this MIG stick package. Pretty awesome little kit. A lot of accessories. Very nice. I mean, they covered everything on this unit. So to dive into some features on this kit, 34 pounds. Now that's pretty amazing. Really light, really nice. So I'll show you what's on the inside here. Pretty unique. Fronius came up with their own little design on it. Move some of this stuff. So some unique features. To open the door, both thumbs on either side, open it up. So to check out on the inside, first thing that you notice, two spool adapters. So 10-pound spool, 2-pound spool. Both are drive systems. They're not storage. They both are functional. So if you want to just put on your welding aluminum, you just want to put a 1-pound spool on, just put it in the 1-pound spool area, or you take that out and put an 11-pound spool on. Also inside, all the consumable chart, all the things that it runs, you know, all the wire sizes, all the consumables that it uses, amperage settings, that kind of thing. So what's unique to Fronius too, and another good feature that they have, is they color code all their stuff. So color coded drive rolls, color coded contact packs, and color coded liners. So you can see each color transmitted to a size of wire that you're going to use. Pretty awesome little unit. Alright, so to turn the machine around, check out the back side here. You got your on-off. You'll notice you got two dual gas solenoids on the side. So remember I said that it comes with these two extra hoses. So what it is, you can plug in, if you have your own regulator or flow meter, you just plug it into the back. It has a standard CGA inert gas fitting. But if you don't want to use yours, they have this adapter that you can screw right on the back side of it. Pretty cool, pretty unique. Just different. Hey, gives you some good options just in case you don't have what you need. So you notice too on the plug down there, all Fronius plugs, we'll go over this, are universal. So whether I have a TransSteel 2200, I have an AccuPocket 150 or 180, and all their units have the same adapter plug. So how it works, you line up the big rectangle, push it in, twist, and it's locked. It's in there. It's ready to go. So I put on the plug, the twist lock plug, because what we're going to do, we're going to try the adapter cord, because I have a big 110, as I like to call them. Not necessarily a big 110, right there. So let's plug it in. I'll get the MIG gun in, and we'll go over some features on the functionality on the front. All right, to flip this on here. So power's coming on. Takes a second to toggle through. So on this unit, we can run standard wire, solid wire, flux core, metal core, silicon bronze, aluminum bronze, aluminum. Mainly, that's a big deal right now. So aluminum. One of the key features on this unit, you don't need a spool gun to run aluminum. They push the aluminum through the regular MIG gun. We're going to weld with that. That's really awesome. So 26 pre-programmed settings between wires and diameter sizes. Pretty sweet. So we get the MIG gun plugged in here so we can get some aluminum. They have a new patent on their MIG whip, the new connection. So their claim to fame on this MIG gun is bulk liner. So this is your your nut to tighten the liner in so it stays with the gun. You can buy bulk liner, cut it to size, put it down in, this thing threads on the liner, it locks, you're good to go. Another unique feature, got a swivel ball on the MIG gun, and it's got an ergonomic design. It's actually really comfortable, it's really nice. The nozzle, you got your nozzles, your contact tips, and your high heat diffuser. So contact tips, they say 6 to 10 times longer lasting than the competitor, and then your high heat diffuser. Really, the consumables on this are meant for longevity. That's awesome, because as we know, changing out contact tips and diffusers takes time, patience. It's can be a pain. Let's get this gun plugged in. So you got stick, TIG, manual, or synergic. We're in manual right now. That's going to let me adjust my voltage, my wire feed speed independently of one another. If I go synergic, that's when I start to get into I choose my process or what I'm welding, and then I choose my wire size, and then I choose what gas I'm using, and it gives me a preset parameters on that unit. So we're going to use theirs. Let's scroll down here. Now we're running a 5356 aluminum. One downside to this machine, it says ALMG, which is magnesium, aluminum magnesium. 5356 has magnesium in it, so that's the process we're going to choose. Wire size, we're running 364, so we're going to choose 045. Gas, 100% argon. So if you noticed, they give me the voltage, and then it gives you, this thing does plate thickness, so you have to go up in size. It gives you a decimal plate thickness. So 0.125 is 1/8 inch. And that's one of my complaints about this machine, other than the ALMG. You have to know decimal sizes in plate thickness. Why can't I just say gauge or 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, that kind of thing? Not a big deal though, we'll figure it out. So there we go, we're giving me a preset on the voltage. And you can, the 0 setting is where, if you notice that it went away, 1's 2, 3, 2 on the plus. 0 is what the recommended setting is on 0.125. So let's give this a shot. I'll get my helmet on, we'll get some plates set up, and we'll weld with it. Now remember, we're welding, we're pushing it through their MIG gun. No push-pull gun, no spool gun. This is just straight through their MIG gun. We'll see how it feeds. But I got some 80 thousandths aluminum, so let's go to our machine here. I'll turn down to 80 thousandths. Gives me a set voltage. We'll just make sure it's on 0. Yep, we're good there. Alright, let's get it tacked up, and got the gas hooked up, so we're all good to go. Now remember, that's 80 thousandths aluminum, 5356. Welding pretty nice, feeding pretty nice too. That's impressive. Their claim to fame is that you can have a knot in this liner or a knot in the MIG gun, and it'll still feed the aluminum. So let's put it to the challenge here. Let's try it. Any other manufacturer, any other gun, I put a knot in an aluminum whip like that, and it's not feeding. It's stopping. It's dead stop there. So let's try it out. Let's see if it actually feeds. Now you see I got a pretty good knot in there. Give it a shot here. You saw it firsthand right there. Look at that. Knot in the whip, still feeding 5356 aluminum wire through a regular MIG gun. Hence why you don't need a spool gun right there. That's amazing. Unbelievable. 15 foot. I've never seen anything like that. I mean, you could, other manufacturers, we've knotted them, not on purpose, on accident, and they stop feeding aluminum right away. So that's unreal. All in all, some of the key features too that need to be touched on, other than that you can obviously knot up your aluminum MIG gun and it'll still run great, is it'll run 330 feet of extension cord. So you can see we have it plugged into an extension cord here on the wall, but they're saying that we can put 330 feet on this and run it, and it won't pop a circuit breaker. That's a huge deal. Another thing too, 3-year full warranty on this thing. Anything breaks, In that 3 years, it's covered under warranty. Obviously, if it's not malicious, right? So if it's just manufacturer default, they cover it. Awesome unit. So you're gonna ask, what's this unit? How much does it run? How much is it? So the MIG stick unit, this particular one, is right around 2,500 bucks. If you want to jump up to the unit with the TIG kit, it's going to run right around $2,900. But then that gives you everything, MIG, TIG, and stick. Gives you all the accessories that come with it. Pretty good package. It's hard to beat. I mean, for that price point and what you get, and obviously what you can do with it, it's amazing. For this video, we're going to throw out a promo code, and the promo code's 2200. We're going to throw together a baker's bundle for that with that promo code. And in that bundle, you're going to get a free spool of aluminum and a pack of tips that go along with this unit for this MIG gun. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel at Baker's Gas, and there's going to be more. All right, wait a minute, folks. We got one more challenge for this welder. So I said we could do 330 feet away. I just got a call from my boss. We got to weld on a vaporizer. So let's put this thing to the test. I'll bundle up the machine. We're going to go weld with it out in the field here on 110 power, 325 feet of extension cord. Got everything? All right, let's go. So we got 3 100s, 125 foot. We got them all hooked up straight right on a regular wall outlet. You can see that. There's the first 100 foot right there. There's the 25 footer. Let's turn the machine on. So it came on. So we're 325 feet of extension cord. We're going to go weld this vaporizer at the top. I'll carry it up there. We'll get it hooked up. Machine's on. Turn our gas on. So we're up here on top. We brought a test piece to try it out first, just to get the machine set up, but let's give it a shot. We are live, wires feeding. We got gas on. We're good to go. Tuned in there a little bit, running 53, 56. We got it tuned into a good setting. We'll get started on this vaporizer. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to my channel at Baker's Gas on YouTube. Thanks again for watching.